Looking for a trusted solar installer near you? Meet a name you can trust. Solar SME, a NABCEP-certified installer with 10+ years of real industry experience, offering not just solar panels. We deliver complete energy solutions tailored to you. Enjoy competitive pricing, premium solar panels, and industry-leading warranties you can trust. Now here's how easy it is to start. Fill out our quote form, answer a few quick questions about your needs, and then we take it forward with our simple 3-step process. Free consultation. We understand your energy needs. Custom system design, tailored for maximum savings and efficiency. Kickstart your project. Quick approvals and smooth execution. Or get a more personalized instant solar estimate with our smart calculator. And once you're ready, we handle everything for you. Custom system design and engineering, permits and incentive management, utility approvals and net metering, professional in-house installation. Clean process, maximum output, zero hassle. Power inflation has already increased by 5.4% over last year. So why wait for another high bill or unexpected outage? Join 5,000+ homeowners and businesses already powered by Solar SME and getting up to 95% lower bills. Be a part of Solar SME family.